Welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a cleaning video. My house is a serious disaster because we were out of town last weekend and all week I've had class. Just a lot of stuff going on. I haven't had time to clean, so it's a serious mess. I'm getting ready to show you it, and be sure to stick around to the end so you can see everything clean, and I'll see you guys. Okay, so I guess I'll start by showing you guys this huge mess. It's really bad. So I will go ahead and show you guys this, but I'm not going to be doing this room because Seth's brother is moving and he's storing his stuff here for right now. So that is a lot of this, so I'm actually not going to be touching on this room today. It's actually pretty clean. Just take out all this stuff. So yeah, there's Baylee's room. The bathroom needs some cleaning. I also need to sweep and mop, and we have this pile of laundry right here that's kind of just piled up. So for in here, I just need to straighten up the countertops, do the dishes, take the trash out. Another pile of laundry. I know that's kind of gross to have your laundry in the kitchen, but yeah, it happens. And yeah, just kind of clean up this and yeah, just organize. Also, the puppy gate that we had here broke, so I had to go back to putting these totes here. But yeah, Skye's still in here. Hi! So yeah, when she gets a bath, I'll probably let her back out. But for now, because I'm cleaning and stuff, I'm just gonna leave her in here. So in here is a wreck. I need to clean up this stuff. And then this is our bags from this past weekend. I just kind of strode the clothes everywhere. I haven't put them up yet and washed them and all that. And then Baylee's in here in her jumper, waiting for some breakfast. You want some pancakes? Yeah? Yeah? She's watching her little show. And then in here is a pretty big disaster too. It's mainly just like toys and books and just more books, and I don't even know what's going on in here, honestly. So I went ahead and made the bed and kind of cleaned up a little bit in here. Also cleaned up these toys in here. Baylee's getting fussy. I'm gonna let Baylee play a little bit while that I finish hanging all these clothes up and put them in the dirty clothes if they need to be.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels.
So I changed. I actually did a lot. I kind of had to take a break. It's now like the evening time. I had to watch my sister's kids for a little bit, and I went ahead and like cleaned everything up really quick. But it's still obviously a super big mess, so I am going to start recording. So let's go. In the kitchen, still need to do the dishes and take the trash out. What is that dirty? Mama, have it. Mama, have it. It's dirty. You ready to go clean? Here, come on, let's go clean. Come on, hold my hand. Hello. Thank you. Oh. You tricked me.
It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. A 24-hour streak, wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman.
And this is clean. Yeah, still have some work to do in here. I need to do some laundry. Okay guys, so that is it for today's cleaning video. I'm not gonna finish the bedroom because I was folding some clothes and gonna put some stuff up, and there was a huge spider in that tote in there, and I killed it with some Lysol, and I'm waiting until Seth gets home so he can get it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from?